Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to generate human voices in CloneVoice AI, which is an all-in-one AI voice app. So I'm logged into my CloneVoice AI account. I'd recommend using Google Chrome as your browser. So go to the Voice Maker section at the top. Here you'll see two options. You use the Professional Voice Maker option to generate voices for professional videos like news anchor, documentaries, corporate videos, promotional ads, etc. You can use the Creative Voice Maker option for kids' storybook narration, cartoon voices, and other creative videos. I'll start with the Professional Voice Maker. So I'll click on Start Professional. In this section, you need to enter the voice name and description. You can use ChatGPT, Copilot, Grok, or any other AI app to give you a prompt to generate specific voices like I did here using Grok AI. So let me go back to CloneVoice and I'll enter the voice name here and the video description here. I'll check this box to agree with the terms of service and then I'll click on Generate Professional Voice. It'll then take a few seconds to generate the voice and bring you back to this page. You'll see the status here. Sometimes you may need to refresh the page. And once completed, you can use these buttons here to preview, favorite, download, or delete the voice. So let me play the voice so that you can see how it came out.
In the quiet of the early morning, the first rays of sunlight filtered through the curtains, painting golden patterns on the bedroom floor.
So similarly, you can go back to Voice Maker and generate other voices, male or female. For example, I went ahead and generated this one for a male storyteller voice, another one for a male corporate narrator. Here's another voice I generated with a British accent. You just need to mention that in your prompt itself. Here is a female storyteller voice, and finally a female lifestyle host. I created a separate video where I showcase all of these voices, and you'll find the link at the end of this video. If you want to create a male or female children's voice, you should use the Creative Voice Maker option. So let me show you an example. I'll click on Start Creating. On this page, I'll give it a voice name and the description. Make sure you check this box and finally click on Preview Creative Voice. Give it a few seconds and we'll be brought back to this page where you'll see the voices to choose. So let me play a few of these so you can hear them.
Hey, this is what I sound like.
Hey, this is what I sound like.
Hey, this is what I sound like.
So I'll select the voice option 2. Then I'll scroll down. I'll check this box and then click on Create Voice. You'll then start generating the voice. So just give it a few seconds. And as you can see, this is the voice we just generated. Similarly, you can generate more voices. For example, here is another kid's voice I generated for a male child. To get to the My Voices section, you can click this button in the top right corner and then choose My Voices. And using the design filter, you'll find all of the voices you've generated using prompts. And here are the voices that I generated so far. To use these voices and create text-to-speech voiceovers, click on Create Audio, enter the name you like to use, then click on Select Voice. You'll see these options in the right side panel. Use this drop down and then choose Designed. And down below you'll see the voices to use. I'll choose this one. As you can see, here it is. Enter your text-to-speech script here into this box. Check this box and then click on Create New Audio. it'll bring you here where you'll see segments generated. In this case, because the script is short, there is only one segment. You can use this drop-down to add an emotion. You can also use this drop-down to add an expression. I'll just go with the default and then click on Generate Audio. Give it a few seconds and then it will redirect you and bring you to the My Audio section. So let me play a small portion so you can hear it.
Hey guys, this is Anthony, and I am testing one of the male voices that I generated.
To learn more about CloneVoice AI and to get it at a one-time discounted price, check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.